Hello, my name is Dr. Nicholas Cohen, and I'm here to share with you a top 10 list for parents of children aged 2 years old. Tip number 1, talk to your child. Speak to him in understandable words that he can imitate and grasp. Decrease reliability on gesturing for understanding commands or for communicating. Tip number 2, read to your child. Read to your child every day. Many toddlers love the same story over and over again. This is normal. Ask your child to point to pictures of objects, animals, or people on the page. If the story is familiar, pause every now and then for your child to insert a phrase or sound to help the story or to finish a similar sentence or phrase. Tip number 3, praise your child. Praise your child for good behavior and accomplishments. Tip number 4, discipline. Set appropriate and understandable home rules for behavior. Do not respond to temper tantrums with anger. Ignoring temper tantrums can be effective. Use a timeout, 1 minute for each year of age. So at age 2, you would give your child a timeout for 2 minutes for bad behavior. Tip number 5, limit television. Limit television time to 1 hour per day of quality, age-appropriate programs. Tip number 6, nutrition. Feed your child 3 meals per day with healthy snacks in between meals. If your child is drinking whole milk, transition to 1 or 2% milk, and make sure not to feed your child more than 16 to 24 ounces per day. Limit juice to 4 to 6 ounces per day. Physical activity. Participate in outdoor physical activities as a family. Tip number 8, safety. Always make sure that outdoor play is supervised by an adult. Never leave a child alone in or near water. Prevent burns by keeping your child away from hot surfaces and hot foods while in the kitchen. And make sure to keep your child's environment smoke-free, secondhand, to avoid smoking near your child or to avoid exposure to secondhand smoke. Tip number 9, toilet training. It's not necessary for your child to learn toilet training at age 2, and do not force toilet training. Encourage toilet training when your child is dry for about 2 hours at a time, knows the difference between wet and dry, can pull her pants up and down, wants to learn, and can tell you when she is about to have a bowel movement. To help your child have a bowel movement, dress her in easy-to-remove pants, establish a daily routine, place her on the potty every 1 to 2 hours, and provide a relaxed environment by reading or singing songs while she's on the potty. And tip number 10, believe in yourself. You absolutely have what it takes to become or to be a great parent. If you have any questions, ask your healthcare provider for help. And enjoy being a parent of a 2-year-old. Thank you and have a great day.